Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by verifying firmware and SIM status. You need firmware 1. 2. 0 or newer and an active 5G capable plan. Insert the SIM, power the unit, and open the Vivo app. You should charge to above 50% to avoid power throttling during initial attach. Once done, place the T4x where it has a clear line of sight to the cell tower. Avoid metal enclosures and thick walls, because signal quality at this stage determines a fast, reliable 5G attach and baseline throughput. Now configure the radio. In the network settings, select 5GNR and choose the carrier APN for 5G service. This tells the modem to request the right slices. Run a network scan to see available bands. If you encounter congestion, lock to a less loaded band. Enable carrier aggregation and set MIMO to 2x2 for a balance of throughput and reliability. Make sure to save and reboot the modem so the changes apply, and the device completes a fresh attach to the 5G core. Finish by validating performance. Run multiple speed tests and capture RSRP and RSRQ values so you have a baseline. If attach fails or throughput is poor, first reorient the antenna or move the unit higher. Weak RSRP often fixes with placement. If the modem never registers, try a different 5G SIM or reprovision the APN. As a last resort, factory reset, but only after saving your configuration and contacting support. They can interpret logs and prevent repeated misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.